Did you know that adding just a few plants to your space can boost your mood and productivity significantly? It's true. Plants not only purify the air but also create a calming atmosphere that makes your home feel more inviting. Today, we're diving into the world of indoor plants and how to create a cozy jungle vibe in your home with perfect plant pairings. If you're looking to transform your space into a lush retreat filled with greenery, you've come to the right place. So, grab your favorite plant buddy, and let's get started. Many people struggle with choosing the right plants that not only thrive together but also complement each other aesthetically. You know that feeling when you see a beautifully arranged indoor garden, and you think, how do they do that? Well, it can be tricky. Some plants have specific light and water needs, and if you don't match them up correctly, you might end up with sad-looking greenery. Plus, there's the aesthetic challenge, finding the right colors and textures to create that perfect jungle vibe. But don't worry, I've got your back. In this video, we'll explore different types of plants, their light and water needs, and how to mix colors and textures for a visually stunning arrangement. First up, let's chat about light. Some plants thrive in bright, indirect sunlight, like the popular pothos or the snake plant, while others prefer lower light conditions, such as the ZZ plant. Understanding these needs is crucial for plant pairing. Next, we have water requirements. For example, succulents need less water compared to ferns, which love to be consistently moist. Mixing plants with similar water needs can save you a lot of hassle. Now, let's talk aesthetics. When pairing plants, consider their foliage shapes and colors. For instance, pairing the broad, lush leaves of a monstera with the delicate, feathery leaves of a fern creates beautiful contrast. You can also play around with color palettes, try combining deep greens with splashes of variegated plants for a vibrant look. Lastly, don't forget about height. Using plants of varying heights adds depth to your arrangement, making it feel more dynamic and interesting. The key insight is that certain plant combinations can enhance each other's beauty while also creating a harmonious environment in your indoor space. For example, imagine a corner with a tall fiddle leaf fig surrounded by shorter, trailing plants like string of hearts. This not only makes a statement but also creates a cozy nook that feels alive. Remember, it's all about balance and harmony. When plants work together, they elevate each other. To wrap up, remember that careful plant pairing can transform your home into a lush, inviting retreat. It's all about knowing your plants and having fun with it. Experiment with different combinations, and don't be afraid to mix things up until you find what feels right for you. If you enjoyed these tips, make sure to check out my other videos on plant care and styling, and leave a comment with your favorite plant pairing. I can't wait to hear what you come up with. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more indoor jungle inspiration. Happy planting! Hey guys! Have you ever thought about growing your own ginger at home? What if I told you it's super easy to do it in containers? Stick around to find out how. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of ginger. It's not just a delicious addition to your meals, but it's also packed with health benefits. Plus, growing ginger in containers means you can do it anywhere. So, many of us want to grow our own herbs and spices, but sometimes we think we don't have enough space or the right conditions. Maybe you live in an apartment with a tiny balcony or no outdoor garden at all. The good news is that growing ginger in containers is a fantastic solution. It's flexible, easy, and you can move your containers around depending on the sunlight. Let's tackle this challenge together. Let's talk about what you need to grow ginger successfully. First off, you'll need a piece of fresh ginger root. Look for ones that have visible eyes or sprouts. You can find this at your local grocery store or farmer's market. Next, choose a container that's at least 12 inches deep. Ginger loves to spread out, so give it some room. Make sure your container has drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. Now, for the soil, use a well-draining potting mix. You can mix in some compost for extra nutrients. This way, you're setting your ginger up for success right from the start. Here's the exciting part. Once you've planted your ginger, all you need to do is keep it in a warm, sunny spot and water it regularly. In about 3 to 4 weeks, you'll start to see new shoots sprouting up. This is where the magic happens. Just be patient because it typically takes about 8 to 10 months for your ginger to mature. But trust me, it's worth the wait. You'll end up with fresh ginger that you can use in your cooking or tea, and there's nothing quite like the taste of homegrown ginger. To wrap things up, growing ginger in containers is not only doable but also super rewarding. You get to enjoy the process, and in the end, you'll have some fresh ginger at your fingertips. Remember, all you need is a piece of ginger, a container, some soil, and a bit of patience. If you've enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments if you plan on growing ginger or if you've tried it before. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome gardening tips. And check out my next video where we talk about other amazing herbs you can grow at home.